Hello everyone, my name is Natashas. I'm a chef and food blogger, and I'm working in a food waste as well. So normally what I do in this channel, normally we're doing a food recipe as well, but today we're gonna do something different. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna get one celebrity chef who is in YouTube, and we're gonna make one of her recipe to see actually how it comes up. Because lots of time when I talk with my friends, they say they follow the YouTube recipe, it looks like, oh my god, it's so delicious, but when they try at home, it's not comes as it is. So that's why what I want to do, I want to follow one recipe to see actually how it comes. So which recipe we're following today? She's her name is Natashas. She got 1.7 million views in this recipe. What we're making today, if you see here, how to make spaghetti and meatball recipe today. So let's see actually how it comes today. So what actually we need today, we need a bread. We're gonna cut this bread and soak in the water, and we're gonna mix with the meatball. So let's see how we're doing. Yes, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this bread and we're gonna soak in the water, and after we're gonna add this bread with the meatball. In her own recipe it's a lot of bread because we're not taking that much meat, that's why I take just one slice of bread. So I'm just adding water, just half, if you see, just to soak the water down in the bread. Not too much water, just enough water to soak the bread. And just gonna leave this one for 5 minutes on the side. Now here I got the meat. I just take a beef. She mixed with pork, but I just gonna use only the beef. So using the beef, 3 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, black pepper, and using Parmesan cheese. So I put 1 egg here, and I putting this soaking bread in there, and after I just gonna mix it nice and properly. So now what we're actually gonna do, we're just gonna make just a meatball. So my lovely people, you see how this meatball comes nicely. So what we just need to do, we're just gonna roll in a flour so it's gonna stick nicely. If you see, yeah. Oh, look at this. So now what we're just gonna do, we're just gonna fry this meatball, all of them, just to get a very good color. Don't need to cook all the way around because this is gonna cook in the tomato sauce as well. Because if you cook here 100%, so when you put in tomato sauce, it's gonna be overcooked. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna take it out the meatball because I don't need to cook all around. Don't need to cook 100% because it's gonna cook again in a tomato sauce. So now what they're gonna do, I'm gonna put half onion. Gonna wait until this color comes. If you see, my onion is get actually caramelized. So in this time I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. Just gonna wait slightly to get this flavor to come. Put 2 bay leaf now to just get more flavor as by recipe. Yeah. So now I'm gonna add this tin tomato. So now I got some salty water. I'm gonna cook this pasta according to a packet. If you want it more soft, you can keep it just a little bit longer. When you see the tomato sauce they start boiling, so in this time you can add this meatball now. So if you see my meatball is getting little dry, so what I done, I add little bit water from my pasta water. So it's almost ready. So before I take it out, I just gonna add some parsley. Anyway, the recipe says basil, but I don't have basil at the moment and I like parsley, so I add the parsley and I'm gonna keep this one as it is for 5 minutes, and after I just gonna add my pasta in there, and by recipe should be the same. So now we're just gonna mix my pasta here. Oh, look at this. This looks really nice, you know. I hope taste gonna be nice as well. According to recipe, what I need to add here more is Parmesan cheese, and what I done, I checked the salt and pepper and adjust to it some more salt. Here you go. It looks really nice. Yeah. That's fine. So time to test actually how it goes. Meatball is really good. It's good actually. It is good. I said I would give 8 out of 10. It's really good recipe. So here you go guys. Today this is our first recipe what we review from one of the celebrity chef from YouTube, and it was really good. So if you like our videos, I hope you're gonna subscribe our channel and we're gonna do more videos, something like that. I hope we will see you soon. Bye bye.